Want to buy Binance Coin BNB? Start by choosing a reputable exchange. Binance is best for BNB with native support. Coinbase offers a user-friendly interface for US and EU users. Kraken provides secure trading with low fees. Next, create an account on your chosen exchange. Sign up using their website or mobile app. Provide your email and create a secure password. For verification, submit your government-issued ID and proof of address to comply with KYC regulations. Once verified, fund your account to buy BNB. Deposit fiat currency like USD through bank transfer or credit card, or transfer existing cryptocurrency like Bitcoin from another wallet. With your account funded and verified, you're ready to trade BNB on the exchange. When trading BNB, fees vary by exchange. On Binance, expect about 0.1% for BNB pairs, while other platforms charge 0.5 to 1%. Withdrawal fees are around 0.1 BNB, currently worth about 50 to the 60. For safety, transfer your BNB to a personal wallet like Trust Wallet or MetaMask after buying to avoid exchange risks. Always use hardware wallets and enable 2FA for extra security.